Hi, this is Cedric for Continents Condiments with my friend Federico from Viajes y Comidas, and we're here at the Vinh Khanh Street Food Street in Saigon, and we're gonna try a few delicious dishes with you tonight. So we're here in Vinh Khanh Street Food Street, and it's basically a street that is lined with seafood restaurants. And the reason why it's so loud right now is because you have these motorcycles roaring up and down the street. It's Saigon after all, and it's Friday night. It's gonna be a delicious night tonight.